Parang sa society, bakit ka ba tatawag ng police kung meron ka ng security mismo sa loob ng cells mo? And that's actually the basic thing. Prior to USANA, prior to essentials, prior to supplementation, the Lord has created our body in that way. Yun nga lang, hindi na tayo kumakain ng plants. Hindi na tayo kumakain ng nutrient source. Kaya ngayon, nagbabayad na tayo through diseases in our body. So intelligence, what's the basic thing about that? Intelligence gives us the knowledge that your body can protect itself. Your DNA has the power within it. You just need the right signal. You just need the right cellular surveillance. Because when your cells have the signal, your cells has a better capacity to function. In layman's terms, sa isang oras ng pagsasalita, ang ginagawa lang ng Cell Central or ng intelligence technology is binibigyan ang warrior cells mo ng armor. Kasi kung meron siyang armor, mas ma-expect mo na magpa-function siya ng mas maayos. So what can we expect next year? Next year, we will be leveling up. Right? So, ang common joke ko sa mga associates, okay, ang common joke ko sa mga associates, kung marami ka pa home product na ganito sa washing machine mo, benta na. Okay? Kasi bakit? Next year, we will be leveling up. Okay? Actually, the first product with intelligence is ProGlucom. I hope you're sharing that. Para kahit pa paano nasasanay na yung mga DNA natin. Para pagdating ng cell essentials, mabilis na lang yung adaptation. We will be changing our Hepasil, and we will be changing our Procosa, and other products will be changing soon. Alright? So, the key thing here, I'm not promoting cell essentials kasi wala pa siya, pero I just want you to be ignited and excited. Why? Because most of the time, I still see associates that are very shy to introduce USANA. May mga nakakasabay pa rin ako sa elevator na pagkasabi ng invite nila, saan ba tayo? Basta pharma company. Basta ano. Okay, so if you're not proud of your company, it will be very hard to succeed here. Yes. So you have to remember, this company is so serious about cellular nutrition na kahit hindi na nag-upgrade yung iba kasi nakasanayan na pamana na sa bawat pamilya, we still strive to actually upgrade and upgrade and upgrade. Why? Because our bodies are changing. We need the suited and the right fit of nutrient for us. And it all boils down with the vision of Dr. Myron. I hope you all know and I hope you all realize that nutrition is not just about keeping health. Okay? Ang nutrition, katabi na yan ng USANA eh. We would like to be the cellular nutrition company. And as we make the products correct, as we make the products relevant, we update with the right experts. But you know, sometimes when people ask me what is USANA, sometimes sa sobrang dami nating alam, nahirapan tayong explain. So, I hope that I can coach you with this one. When people ask you what is USANA, before na sabihin natin kung ano yung mga intelligence, you just simply tell them, USANA, we create the most advanced supplement. And sometimes when they ask you, paano? Well, what makes us unique is we have unmatched manufacturing facility. As we speak about unmatched manufacturing facility, even though we are not a drug company, our facility in Salt Lake is an FDA-registered facility. Alongside with that, we have science and clinical breakthroughs, and we're so excited with the intelligence coming here in the Philippines and other improvements in the science. Maybe sometime we will have some improvements with the USANimals and the others, and we're excited of that because we're always upgrading. But other than the science and clinical breakthrough, USANA is trusted by athletes. Yes. In fact, here in the Philippines, we are the official supplement supplier of the Philippine Sports Foundation. And that's good. Siguro, i-segue ko na rin. Next week, we will be having the medalists of SEA Games here in the office. That's on the Wednesday, so if you want to see them, please come over. But alongside with that, if athletes trust the product, you can never go wrong. Hindi yan iinig ng mga produkto na hindi naman nila pinagkakaiwalaan. Alongside with that, we are using natural ingredients and pharmaceutical grade ingredients. Sometimes a lot of people still get confused. Organic ba kayo? Okay? So again, medyo nabababoy na yung word na organic eh. Because if you speak about organic, hindi yan nag-undergo ng freezing, hindi yan nag-undergo ng heating. But a simple thing that you can explain to them is that The raw materials, the ingredients, definitely they are organic. They are planted in the cleanest way possible. They are planted in the most safe way possible. But as we process them, we make sure that we make them pharmaceutical grade. Ibig sabihin, a grade that is safe for human consumption and a grade that has the highest quality. Because as you speak about grade, meron tayong tinatawag na food grade, na kadalasan yun yung mga supplements na nasa tabi-tabi, but with us, we use pharmaceutical grades, established quality. And of course, what makes us unique is the absorbability, the bioavailability, the science that we place in the product so that we can be sure that our integrity will not be tarnished. Parami na ang USANA product. Parami pa rin ang nagkakasakit. Share ko na rin, siguro nakwento ko sa iba. Last month, there was this very famous celebrity who said in his Instagram, I'll be going to this mercury drug. If you buy a bottle of this vitamins, you'll get a selfie with me. And I was so curious. I went to Glorieta. Nahanap ko, baka may naka-blue na bag eh. Okay? I was so shocked. The line was so long. And what actually made me more sad is that a lot of people will put their health at stake over a vitamin and just to get a selfie. Pag nahan ka ng vitamin na yan, hindi ka naman padadalhan ng bulaklak ni Luis Manzano. Pag nagkaroon ka ng sakit o kaya hindi yan na-absorb ng tama ng katawan mo, ni hi, hello, ni Facebook story, hindi ka niya gagawan. And what's my challenge? You have the best product in your hands. You have a product that has been studied well. You have a product that has the right technology, upgraded technology, sana hindi nyo huyan, ikahiya. And siguro as I end, alright? Maraming tao, they would complain. Ang mahal kasi ng supplement mo eh. But just do the math. Yung babayaran mong maintenance in the future, parang mas mahal pa yata siya. And again, aside from that fact na mas mahal siya, hindi ba't mas maganda na yung ating retirement monies pang travel na lang? And sana as you travel, hindi ka naka-wheelchair. Sana as you travel, yung puso mo hindi hingal ng hingal. We have to work together. Why? Because if you just work alone, it will be illness. But if we work together, the illness becomes wellness. And alongside with that, siguro ma-relate ko na rin sa fasten your seatbelt na sinabi ko kanina, marami sa atin mahilig sumakay ng eroplano. Diba? Kadalasan, okay, sa eroplano, by the way, before I tell that, alam niyo ba na meron 300,000 flights sa isang araw sa buong mundo? Hindi sila nagbabanggaan, no? Ang galing, kasi may signaling. Pero, kadalasan, nababalitaan natin yung eroplanong bumabagsak. Same thing. A lot of people will say, supplements are not good. Ay, naku, narinig ko na may mga namatay na dyan, may mga nalugi na dyan, alright? But each time a person says that a supplement is not good, 90% tells people na mas good siya o na mas okay siya. And what's my challenge? You have the right product with you. You have the right, okay, ingredient with you, the right technology with you. Please be that successful flight na nag-iingay. Please be that successful flight na tatalunin nyo yung mga naninira simply because our products are good and our products can change health of a lot of people.
Yes!
Kapag may nagsasabing hindi good, we educate. Pag may nagsasabing hindi magandang supplement, papuntahin nyo dito. Why? Because we deserve to be healthy.
Tama.
Sabi nga nung kaibigan ko, isa siyang onco-drug brand manager, nakakainis no, konti na lang yung mga nagkaka-cancer. Bakit naman? Konti kasi yung benta ko eh. Sabi naman nung isa sa sipon, oo nga eh. Grabe yung mga project namin sa school, konti lang yung may sipon eh, ang baba ng sales namin. It made me realize I was so blessed to be with USANA. Why? Because in this business, hindi ka nagdadasal maraming magkasakit. Naghahanap ka pa nga ng may sakit. Hindi ka nagdadasal na sana may magka-cancer para ma-offeran mo ng product. We are here to share the product, to share the vision. We are here to help people realize that you can indeed take charge of our health.
Yes.
So, siguro may mga bago dito. You're a bit curious, why am I here in USANA? Alright? USANA is, ano bang masasabi ko sa USANA? USANA is, parang kasama na siya sa pathway ng buhay ko. So, is it okay if I tell you my USANA journey before I end?
Yes!
Alright. USANA came to the Philippines January 19, 2009. Okay? So, ilang taon na yon? 8 years ago. Okay? I already knew USANA 2008 because I had a debate in PGH. So, intern ako doon, and then we had a contest, and this professor certainly said na, okay, this is the case of the patient. I need you to find the right vitamin for this so that this can assess the patient and help the patient. And because siguro very competitive ako since birth, most of my friends from UP, UST, MCU, sige lang pupunta sila sa mga drugstore. Yung iba nagtitingin sa mga PPD, sa mga memes, and with me, I wanted to find a material na medyo competitive. So that was 2008. 2008, I think that was June. Alright? I went to National Bookstore and I saw a comparative guide by Lyle Macwilliam.
Oh.
So the comparative guide, I was so shocked na, wow, meron pa ng mga ganito na dinidiscuss yung absorption rate, bioavailability, ilang percent yung papasok na vitamin C, interaction, and I saw the top 3. Okay? I realized that the top 1 and the top 2, they are intravenous. Ibig sabihin, ini-inject. So kung bibigyan mo araw-araw ng ini-inject, baka magka-fistula na, baka naman magkabutas-butas na yung kanyang veins, alright? So, I came and bumped and see the chelated mineral and mega antioxidant. Take note, 2008, wala pa nun ang USANA sa Pilipinas. So finally, the debate came, July, I was so excited, I have a PowerPoint presentation, I even have the graph. The vitamin C of this product stays in the blood up to 8 hours compared to this C, compared to this juice base, blah, blah, blah. And the doctors were thrilled. Wow, may ganyan pala, alright. And then before I ended, there was one doctor on this side and she told me, okay, maganda yung product mo, pero saan yan mabibili? So natahimik ako. Hindi ko po alam eh. And the doctor told me, with the bog. And the doctor told me, wala naman pala yung product na yan, mamamatay na lang yung pasyente, hindi pa naiinom yung supplement na yan. Bagsak, dinala niya ako. And you know what? I was vying for number 1, 5 kaming nag-debate, number 5 ako. So that gave me a very bad memory about the chelated mineral and mega antioxidant. And then we move forward. So I passed the board exam July. And then July 30 to be exact, I passed the board exam. And then after 2 weeks, okay, a company called me. UHS, Essential Health. And my mom told me, anak, Makati yan. Bakit mo yung mga skyscraper, ganyan. So I was so excited. My first day was August 18, right? And I sat down and Miss Shelly Junicio, my boss then, gave me 2 bottles. 2009, August 17, she gave me the 2 bottles and she told me, these are the products you are going to speak about. Chelated minerals. Ang sabi ko na lang kay Ma'am Cherry, may go to the bathroom. Tapos sinawagan ko yung friend ko sa UP, oh my God, ito yung nagpabagsak sa akin. I was nearly telling them, can we repeat the debate? Well, maybe that's quite funny for all, but you know, that was my personal story for USANA. I already knew USANA before it came to the Philippines. I already knew it was good before it was here in Makati. And as a pharmacist without prejudice, without knowing that this is a network marketing, I know and I can vouch that you can really trust your health with this product.
Grabe.
So, wala nga tayo sa essentials. Paano pa kaya sa pagdating ng
Essentials. Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Stop ko lang.
You can review and review the training. And we will have trainings next time about
stop ko lang to.
so that you will be ready.